I don't like soggy bacon, so some people be like, yo, that shit is ready. Not this guy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys coming back and watching my videos. If you haven't seen my last video about dove hunting, go check it out. Today we're going to be making Texas Twinkies on the air fryer. If you guys haven't seen my videos before making stuff on the air fryer, go check them out. You'll see on the playlist. But with that being said, let's get into this. What you guys are going to need is some jalapeños, jalapeños, or jalapeños. Right? You need a couple of them, as many as you guys want. You're gonna need some cream cheese, or you can use some other cheddar cheese on some other stuff. Some bacon, obviously we can't forget the bacon, and also some brisket. I made brisket the other day. It turned out really good. If you guys want a video on how to make brisket or how to make my brisket, let me know in the comments below and I'll do a video for you guys. With that being said, let's get into this, okay? The first thing you're gonna do is hella simple. Go ahead and just cut your jalapeños in half, like so. Make sure you wash them. You know, nowadays, everybody put their little fingers all over it, their little nasty little fingers. But it's up to you guys. I mean, I know some of my friends, they like that kind of stuff. Alright guys, sweet. So now that we cleaned up the jalapeños, right? Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some cream cheese. You can grab your butter knife or spoon or whatever you want to grab. You know, fill it up somewhat decent, as much as cream cheese you guys like. It's all up to you guys, all right? All to preference. Wearing gloves is easier. I don't know. I don't like getting all my hands all dirty. You're gonna place this sweet little piece of brisket. I don't know about you guys, but I like the brisket a day after or 2 days after making it. To me, it just tastes better. But either way, you can cut half of bacon and wrap it. But I love bacon, so I'm doing a whole strip of bacon. I'm not gonna use toothpicks or anything to hold it down, but that's pretty much how it turns out. Pretty sweet and simple, right? And you do all the rest. There we go. Cream cheese. Piece of that tasty brisket. Yeah, dirt. Yeah. Hey guys, if you haven't done so, do me a solid, subscribe to the channel. All right. I really appreciate that kind of weird stuff, I guess. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. As you guys see, pretty simple. Jalapeños, cream cheese, bacon, and some brisket. Now, there's some people that like to throw a little bit of seasoning. You can do that too. I think with the flavors of the brisket, they turned out pretty awesome, so I'm not gonna do that. Next thing you know, boom, air fryer. Let's go, right? I'll put some aluminum foil. I think at the end of the day, air fryer is pretty dope, but Jesus, sometimes it's just a pain to clean up. So I'm just gonna try to fit as many of this Texas Twinkies into my air fryer. I'm gonna place this at a good old whopping 400 degrees. Go ahead and put my air fryer to 400 for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes are up, I'm gonna come back, flip them around, check them, make sure they look good, they're nice and crispy, and we should be done. All right guys, it's been 15 minutes, so all we're gonna do right now is go check them real quick. Oh, they're already looking really good. Nice and crispy. I'm gonna turn some around so you get a really good crunch all the way around. Just flip them around as best as you can. You see how the bottom looks? Like it still needs some time. I don't like soggy bacon, so some people will be like, yo, that shit is ready. Not this guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
I don't want my bacon crunchy and toasty. So pretty much put them back in there for another 15 or 10, depends. Let's see how it turned out. That's another 5-10 minutes that I let them go by. Now they are nice and crunchy on both sides. This one looks pretty sus, but besides that, they look pretty good. So let's go ahead and do a quick little taste test. Look at that. Look at this bad boy. Tell me that doesn't look good. You guys seen this? This thing looks amazing. Super amazing. So let's check this bad boy out. Oh, I'm gonna hit this crunchy side first. It's still hot. Woo. I'll let them rest a little bit more. But look. Man, this looks and tastes so good. I'm gonna give it another bite to make sure that I did right by you guys, okay? Look at that heat. You guys see the pink of that nice smoke of that brisket. This turned out delicious. Let me know if you guys try these. Leave a comment below. I appreciate you guys watching. Do me a solid subscribe, like, comment, share with the homies. You know the drill. With that being said, I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.